Hey guys, Sunday, July 13th, 2025. Market recap. Let's get into it. As you can see on the Dow Jones, it's a weekly. Still bullish, just as high. Some locking in some profit on the Dow Jones, but S&P making new highs. NASDAQ making new highs. Still looking good. Russell trying to catch up. Nikkei kind of stalling. Euro kind of stalling a little bit. And the DAX made a new high and then just kind of retreated, but kind of hanging in there with the US indices. And the VIX is pushing lower, which is good, especially if you're bullish on the indices. In regards to energy, an ugly candle because of the Israel-Iran war, and now inside candle. So not much. You got to take out either 65 or like 77. Same thing with crude, Brent, RBOB, inside candle, all inside candle except for nat gas. Nat gas kind of pushed lower as low as 314. It's hovering around 335. Let's see how this week is gonna, if it's gonna be sideways or retest or push lower. You could probably do a trend line there and see if next week we could go below. If it does, then high probability is going to even push lower. And also see if that $3 holds, because you got a pivot here and you got this support here. So, and trend line. So let's see if it goes down and the bulls defend. Ethanol, just, I don't know. Ethanol doesn't really do much here. It's just kind of in a range between $1.60 and $1.08. Or $1.80. The bonds sold off really hard last week. So a little more below last week's low. So there's some downward pressure on all the 10-year, the 5-year, and the 2-year. So let's see if it stabilizes here or it's going to continue pushing lower next week. Softs, cocoa, really choppy. Just 3 inside weekly bar candles, so no direction there. Cotton, just consolidating. Orange juice, interesting, got a bull kicker candle. Kind of reminds me of the big Bitcoin weekly bull kicker that we just had. And I'm also bullish and long the crypto, so we'll be talking about that too. But let's see if we could get at least above around 290 and push higher. And get out of this rut. Maybe he's done consolidating. We don't know. Coffee, selling, pushing lower. Good for me. I like coffee. I like to buy it cheaper. From Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts being my favorite. Ooh, look at this number, 666. Interesting. Very spooky. Is it Halloween today? No, it can't be. No, it's July the 13th. Damn. Anyway, that's a Halloween number. Lumber. The wood. They're going to burn people at the stake. Going to burn people at the wood. I don't know. I'm just joking. 666. Undecided candle. So let's see if it wants to go high as 700 or inside weekly bar for this week. Sugar has a interesting candle. Look at that. A lot of buys just showed up. They're defending 16. Look at the monthly. They didn't get to 15, but some people are getting in early. So it's an interesting, do a trend line. If it breaks above, you get a bull kicker, it might be interesting to go long here. I got to look at, other stuff, but yeah, it's interesting. That could be on the interesting list. Metals. I'm still expecting a sell-off, but it hasn't happened yet. You can see the daily. We almost get it between the 33 and 32, but the bottom feeders just come in and defend it, and they push it higher. Let's see if we can get to 34 this week. Let's see if we can get a close above 34, so, hopefully get to 35. Silver's looking good. I thought it was going to turn over here, and you got this bull kicker going to 39, so it's looked like it's going straight to 40. So far it's looking good. So looks like silver's like leading now, which is interesting. Gold is just kind of like stuck in this rut, and silver is like, I'm going to take over, boys. But don't sleep on platinum. Platinum says, I've been taking over silver. Look at me. I already took my 50% from the midpoint of the year. I'm going to go even kiss higher highs. So there's a competition in the metals market, and it's looking good. So this week coming up, I'll be getting some skin in the game on the platinum and palladium. Look at palladium. We have a close above 1260. That was what I was waiting for. My alert got triggered. I did a couple of videos on this. You can check it out on my YouTube. Copper looking good. Even pushing even higher. So the metals are moving. Very interesting. So these are my plays for this week. Platinum and palladium. I know a lot of you guys like copper too. So it looks good too. It looks good. Look at that. It's a new discovery pushing higher. And palladium is just starting. So this is the baby. This is the one leaving the station, the train station. It's just leaving right now. So this is the one I want to focus on. This one left me already, but I'm going to see if I jump in on some equities. And silver I own and gold I own. So I'm happy either way with that one. Meats. This one's going to be interesting. I'm short live cattle at 220. So far I'm in the red. Let's see. Yep. Very choppy. Thursday and Friday. Friday got strong. So let's see if it's going to continue going higher. Let's see if it's going to go to 226. That's the high that I have on the futures. Same thing with feeder, bullish. Interesting. Lean hogs just pulled back. So it was interesting. They were both going up, and then this kind of started catching up, and now lean hog is pulling in. So let's see how my short for this week goes on live cattle. Corn pushing lower. It looks like maybe might find support here. Let's see. Now, you gotta look at the weekly. Maybe let's see if this holds. If it goes sideways, if not, it's gonna kiss this low here. So you still got this gap here, and then three weekly inside candles and soybeans selling off. So the pressure's to the downside. And oats just consolidating. Rough rice popped to 14. Now pulling back. Maybe may test this low if you get a fail new low. Maybe you could put a buy signal at 14 if it rips right through there, and then you're in. But you want to see if it's going to take out that low or if it's just going to go sideways. Soybeans sideways also. You could probably put a trend line to see if it bounces off there for a nice scalp. Wheat, just pure chop fest between 6 and like 530. Not going anywhere, just sideways, but you could probably play these swings in and out. And just put your range until it either breaks above or cracks below. Canola got this nice pop to 750. Now pulling back. It might probably find support around 650. So keep that on watch. Currencies. I was long the dollar, which is really short euro, and that didn't work out. So I been on the sideline, and so far, look, now it's starting to wake up. So I think I came in too early. I came somewhere around here, and then it just stopped me out and kissed 96 and change, and then got bullish. So you have to probably put a trend line here. And so far, it looks like it may want to break out. So I don't know. This might be an interesting chart to watch this week if it could continue pushing higher, at least to 98. So far, I missed this move. This is the time. This is the week, or last week, I should have gone long. I mean, yeah, long, which is really short euro. But that's what trading is about. Sometimes you come in too early, and then you get stopped out, and then the move comes and shows up. You've heard that story before, right? Yeah, I'm not the only one. Let's go to crypto. Crypto's looking good. I am long Bitcoin. I am long Ethereum, XRP, and ADA. These three I am long. And I've been saying you got to wait till you see something like this, a bull kicker. And it was just choppy here, until you get this bull kicker showing up. So now it looks like it wants to go to the next level. We got it here. So this is leading the pack. They're going to start trying to catch up. So as long as this continues going higher, we probably might get to at least the 4,000 area. This is probably going to get around the 33. And ADA could probably get around the $1.20-ish, maybe even $1.40. So I want to see how far does it go and maybe lock in or just kind of trail my stop pretty much. So let's see how that goes. Let's go into the uranium UX1 so far. We've almost kissed that 25% on the APF. Pulled back, finding support at the 72 in conjunction with the trend line. So let's see if it gets defended there. So this was another opportunity for those that haven't gotten exposure to the uranium sector to get in. When we were here, when we got this nice rally that I got in long around here, I was expecting at least for it to go down. And mind you, there was no trend line. We got the trend line here. I was expecting it to go around 68. That never happened. It went as long as 69. I mean, like 68.35, and then shot up in the leg higher. So this is going to probably be the same thing if this holds. The 72. You do shoot another leg higher to retest this angle and maybe get to the 50%, which is 82.75. So opportunity to get in. Let's look at Kazakhstan. Look at that. Pushing higher. It's ignoring what the future price is doing. Is digging into the supply zone. Looks like it wants to kiss this $46 on the trend line. So still bullish. Still looking good. Is this the daily? Let's go to the weekly so we kind of see. Yep, still pushing. NEX, you can see that was your correction. So that was like your entry point. UUU ignoring the correction, still pushing higher. UEC did the correction. Maybe you want to see the correction. We go to the daily. I could just see it on the weekly. So this is your correction. This is your entry point. And if you missed it, you probably did miss it. It's already at 659. URG, not that much of a correction. NLR, this is a good correction. So yeah, so you would have gone in. URA, Piper ETF, went straight to the midpoint of the channel. So that was your correction to get in. CCJ, nice correction also, and now it's gonna retest 75. URNM, same thing, correction on the futures, and it looks like it's gonna go test 48. SRUUF, same thing. Look at this nice correction. You probably still got some time to get in on this one. It kissed the 1690. This one's gonna be interesting. UROY, same thing, correction, not as deep. Didn't get to 220. DNN, not as deep, but a couple of days. And then LEU. Oh, this one probably came in early, an early correction. And now it's going even higher. So this one wasn't in sync. Compared to this one, because this was just this week that did the correction. So futures correct, and some of them did correct, some didn't. Especially Kazakhstan. It did a little minor correction. It would have been nice from here, but it's just showing you that, nope, don't worry. It's just a correction. We're going to go push higher. Let's see. Let's close this video with... I'm long crypto. Let's go to the futures, indices, charts, metals. Looks like maybe things are going to go higher here. I am going to be getting skin in the game on palladium and platinum this week. Monday open, or whenever the market's open, I'm going to start locking in some stocks and getting a game plan with that. And meats, let's see how my short goes with live cattle. Currencies, I'm going to be watching the dollar. Any pull back maybe next week, and then I see it go up, I'm going to short euro. That's going to be my game plan. See maybe a correction, fail new low, and then inverse retest euro, fail new high, and then go short. So you just got to see how it's going to play out in regards to price action. The grains, there's nothing there for me. Softs, there's nothing there for me. Maybe the softs, you could probably keep an eye on sugar and OJ if it could close above those levels. And indices, I think it's just either sideways to higher as long as the VIX continues pushing lower. Things are looking good. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts. Market recap.